Let me show you a few things I like about the 2021 Honda Accord Sport 2.0 Turbo model. The headlights got some upgrade to all LED. A better integrated radar unit in the lower grille for the adaptive cruise control. An 8-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Boasting an intercooled turbo regular unleaded i4 motor and a 10-speed transmission. It can go 0 to 60 miles per hour in an impressive 5.4 seconds. I like the exhaust chrome tips, matching the chrome accents on the car. The 19-inch sports wheels on Michelin Primacy MXM4 all-season tires. You get a very spacious interior and a lot of cargo room in the trunk that can extend to the inside as well. You can lower the back seats to get more room. You have enough USB ports to keep all your passengers' electronics charged up. The only thing I don't like is that Honda stopped making a manual transmission version in 2020. And I'm not too fond of pushing buttons to switch gears, but that might be a preference for others. What do y'all think about the Honda Accord compared to the Camry, which is another reliable powerhouse? Which would you choose? Leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time. Peace.